Hey JT, look what we got. You got a standpipe. It's sticky. You got this filter material. Been laying around a while. Years. What's a mess. Put your big hole in there, wrapped up loosely. Wrap it up. Put your zip tie or 3 on there. And stick it. That's it. You put your standpipe in and you wrap your filter all around. You put the standpipe in the tub and you wrap the filter all around. You put the standpipe in the tub and you wrap the filter all around and you say, "Doctor!" Yep, that's it. Oh, if you want to filter the water, have pretty water on the way in. Take it up. Take your water coming in. Stick it. Make this same height as your other one, above the water line. Bring that in. It'll filter from inside out into the tub. Then you save the fish with the one on the way out. That's it. Have a good one. See you later. Bye.